Hindi ko na-realize, sabi ni Miss Nessa, is this your comeback project with GMA? Sabi, is it? Sabi ko, hindi ko siya na-realize. Because when I read the script, I read it like a script of any other. Like, I read it as a script. And when I said yes to it, I said yes because it was a good script. Irregardless of who was producing it. Because the script stands and script is king, in my opinion. I mean, of course, a director has to bring that to life. The pressure. And the actors, no pressure, all of us. So yes, ito po pala ang aking pagbabalik sa aking GMA. Sa aking, syempre pamilya ko po ng 10 taon at alam ni Miss Annette na mahal ko sila.